Welcome back to TVB News. A Chinese probe carrying samples from the moon's surface successfully docked with an orbiter earlier today.
The docking formed part of the Chang'e 5 mission, which aims to bring the first lunar samples back to Earth in over 40 years. Daniel Rao has more on this story.
China's National Space Administration announced that their Chang'e 5 probe successfully docked with an orbiter returner in the moon's orbit at 5:42 a.m. today. This marked the first time a Chinese spacecraft had carried out a rendezvous and docking mission in the moon's orbit. The samples collected from the moon have since been transferred from the ascender to the returner. The orbiter returner will now separate from the ascender in anticipation of its return to Earth. The Chang'e 5 lunar probe, comprising an orbiter, a lander, an ascender and a returner, was launched on November 24th. Its lander-ascender combination touched down on the near side of the moon on December 1st. Samples from the lunar surface were then collected and sealed away safely. The ascender took off once again on December 3rd, en route to deposit its samples in the returner. A capsule carrying the rock samples is due to land in the northern grasslands of China's Inner Mongolia region by mid-December. If successfully returned to Earth, they will be the first fresh samples taken from the moon's surface since the Soviet Union's Luna 24 probe in 1976. Further space missions could also now be in the pipeline for China. These include launching a Mars probe, the development of a reusable space shuttle, and attempts to land astronauts on the moon. Daniel Rao, TVB News.